Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add new gestures to the AssistiveTouch and what these are on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on all the iPhones. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings, and as you can see now I do have the AssistiveTouch on. And then go to the accessibility. Then you want to go to the touch and AssistiveTouch. Once you are here, you have this option custom gestures. So let's create a new gesture first. So as you can see, you can type or swipe to create a gesture. Let's just do. To create a custom gesture, a sequence of gestures will be combined into one multiple touch gesture. So it means if you do something like this, and then click stop, then click play, this is going to be like one gesture. So let's click cancel and create a new gesture. So let's say you want to add something like pick, something like this. Stop, and then click play. As you can see, it plays everything in one moment. So now let's click save, and this is going to be maybe let's name it with the this icon right here, and then click save. As you can see, now we do have like a star icon right here because that's my name and that's how the gesture looked like. And then in the custom actions, as you can see, the custom actions, the custom gestures allow you to record gestures that can be activated from custom in the menu of the AssistiveTouch. So let's go to the custom actions and then go double tap. And once you go down a little bit, you have these custom gestures. So let's click that we want to add to double tap the custom gesture. Also, you can add it to the menu. Also, where are the custom gestures? As you can see, also you can add it here. I don't want to add it, so I'm gonna click done, leave it as it is. And now let's double tap on the AssistiveTouch. As you can see, now it is going to show me how it works. And this is, if I tap it, like everywhere on the screen, I can position it. It is going to show me like touch the screen with those gestures. I don't know where you can use it. In my case, I think only about the game called Injustice, when you need to hit combos on the screen. Maybe it can be useful in that game, but I don't know. But as you can see, this is how you can add some custom gestures to the iPhone. So again, how to get to the setting. Let me go back to the main page. Go to the settings, then go to the accessibility. Once you're here, go to the touch, and then go to the AssistiveTouch. And here you can create new gestures. Also, you can add whatever gesture you want to add, and this is going to work. Now, let's click stop, let's click save, let's name it snake, for example, because why not? And then if I go with the double tap and add snake, as you can see, now this is just touching my screen by itself. Let's say touching. So, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!